Why choose factory authorized parts? For their ease of installation and engineered quality. Factory authorized parts are designed and built specifically for Carrier, Bryant & Payne equipment. They're exact drop-in replacements for the original parts. For example, factory authorized parts feature exact electrical connections and lead lengths and exact mounting characteristics. There's no need for on-site modifications. That saves you time and hassle, so you can get the job done and move on to the next one quickly. Your customer will appreciate the fast repair, plus they'll be really happy you chose engineered quality for their system. Factory authorized parts meet rigorous factory run life design specs. They're the only parts you can trust for quality that meets exact part design life testing for maximum reliability and durability. You can trust them for ease of installation and service. They're exact drop-in replacements. You can trust factory authorized parts to meet exact design specifications for optimum system performance, to preserve equipment warranties, and to maintain agency certifications and safety standards. And you can trust them for proprietary design specifications that are not available to other parts manufacturers. When you choose factory authorized parts, your customer's system will run as efficiently, quietly, and safely as it did when it was brand new. Plus, factory authorized parts are backed by an incredible 2-year warranty. You won't get that kind of guaranteed quality from any other parts. But the benefits don't end there. If you're a factory authorized dealer, you can earn bonus points on your annual dealer scorecard when you purchase factory authorized parts. And we've made it incredibly convenient to find the factory authorized parts you need with the free enhanced mobile technician app. Get real-time access to source data. Search by serial number, model number, or scan the parts barcode. Find warranty entitlement data and unit service history. Look up equipment bills of materials. You can even browse equipment literature and locate your nearest distributor store. That's where you'll find all the benefits of factory authorized parts. Ease of installation, engineered quality, a 2-year warranty, factory authorized dealer bonus points, and unmatched convenience. Always ask for factory authorized parts for every Carrier, Bryant, or Payne repair job. For more information, visit factoryauthorizedpartsrc.com.